I used to wear Garrisons most of the time, but unfortunately Garrisons have just gotten worse and worse and worse in quality, and my last pair lasted 2 years, and in the past they would actually last 10 years, and it's just not cutting it anymore. I just wanted to share this with you because new boots that I've never actually ever owned before. These are the SWAT tactical boots. Very nice tactical boots. There's a steel toe in there. As you can see, original SWAT. These are utilized by military, police, etc. I just got them because they're highly functional, and I used to wear Garrisons most of the time, but unfortunately Garrisons have just gotten worse and worse and worse in quality, and my last pair lasted 2 years, and in the past they would actually last 10 years, and it's just not cutting it anymore. And I do know Garrisons are typically a parade boot anyway, but the quality of them is just shit now, so I've decided to get something functional, not so much a parade boot, something that can actually be used for multiple purposes. Not that I'm going to be using these for anything other than performing in and going to work in these and walking in snow, but yeah, got some new boots that I would share. We'll see how these hold up and stuff. These were recommended by a friend many years ago, and I just thought I'd rather wear these than boots that fall apart. So, alright, so as you can see here, these boots, these original SWAT boots, look a little scuffed up now. Nothing feels weird, like on the inside, nothing on the back getting fucked up. Just wanted to update you on after 6 months of having these boots, and they're still solid. They still lace fairly well, though I haven't even had to buy new laces for them yet. I would say my only concern is, as you can see here, after you zip this boot up, you attach to keep it in place so the zipper doesn't fall. You attach this Velcro strip from the front to the back. But I think that would be my only concern, is that at some point this is going to wear out. But it hasn't yet, so things are looking good so far. Anyway, yep, these are solid boots. That's all I wanted to update you on. See you in the next video.